Introducing the Jugnu Rechargeable LED Tubelight. In the box, you will find the rechargeable LED tubelight, micro USB cable, 2 metal rings and an user manual. It is a modular system that is easy to use and move around. It ensures that you always have light at night, saves you money and is safe for your family. To charge the product, connect one end of the micro USB cable into the input port of the LED tubelight and the other end into a standard USB adapter. A red color charging indicator will start blinking. The tubelight will fully charge in 6 hours and the indicator will stop blinking. The tubelight is also compatible for solar charging. The product can be installed in multiple ways. This can be used at home, shop, or a push cart. For vertical installation on a surface, fix a nail on the wall and use the built-in hook to hang it. For horizontal installation on a surface, use the built-in magnets and attach against the metal strip. The rechargeable LED tubelight has 2 built-in hooks at the back side. You can insert the metal rings provided in the box into the hooks. Fix 2 nails on the surface to hang the tube with the metal rings. The rechargeable LED tubelight has 2 modes of brightness that can be used with the on-off switch. Press the on-off switch once, the bright mode will turn on, and press twice, the normal mode will turn on. If you press and hold the on-off switch for a few seconds, stepless dimming mode can be enabled. The rechargeable LED tubelight is powered by a 3000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery that can provide a backup of more than 6 hours using the normal mode. At bright mode, tubelight provides 450 lumens and can last for 2 hours and 45 minutes. The rechargeable LED tubelight is brought to you by Jugnu. It is ideal for reading, working at home. The portability feature makes it a perfect choice for outdoor applications such as street vendors and small shops.